Hello everyone, today we've got here Motorola RAZR 2025 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and here go to Backup. And now if you wish to activate your Google Backup, just mark info that you wish to backup. So in my case it will be everything, photos and videos, along with other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, app setup data and also messages. Just mark confirm and that's it. By tapping on manage backup you can customize it a bit, just however you like. Obviously if you do not have your account added yet to this device, you will have to provide your email address or phone number along with the password, but basically that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.